There's a reconnaissance mission on Tuesday. See how deep it is? Getting in my boots already. There's Mr. Britt and Susan's house. You can see the water line. We haven't gone to our house yet. It's right here. There's the water line. Coming up. See how it got on the cars. The water line. Coming up. My boots are full. Go check out his garage. Okay, here we go. All the water has receded. Not all, but a lot. A garage, how are we doing in here?
We're pretty good. We're all the way up.
Not too bad.
Mustangs are dry.
Okay.
So what? I haven't checked my truck yet.
Okay. And this is Britt and Susan's house. Not a lot of water. Not a lot of water. It came up high.
Had a couple glasses of scotch with me. Three parts of humanity to dry, baby.
There we go. Looks good. Looks good. Okay.